Guys, sorry for the lighting, but wait one sec. Wait one sec, guys. See if I can switch the lighting to like right here. Dead air, please. Bring my stuff over here. Oh, drop this. Okay. Second, I grab something to mix with it. So today, I think you know what we're gonna make. We're gonna make slime. So first ingredient, you need some dish soap. Doesn't matter how much you want. You take as much as you want. How much I'm gonna put in? I'll show you how much I put in. This much I put in. Now you have to put in the glue. So I have some clear Elmer's glue. I'm not putting in the whole bottle because I'm saving it for more slime. And then I'm going to grab some of this glitter glue slime. And then glitter glue. I think I'm just going to take off the cap but not use all of it. So I'm saving it for more slime. Okay, that's enough glue. I have some more glitter glue that's purple. I'm doing the same thing. I'm saving it for more slime. I'm using some more blue glitter slime. More glitter glue. It's blue because I used a lot of purple. There. Okay, and then you put in some contact solution. But it's the saline solution for sensitive eyes. It's the kind of contact solution I have. Put as much as you want in it. This is the activator that I'm using. Should be makes it like come together real good. So now I'm gonna mix. So that's what it looks like right now. I need to mix it now. It's working. See how good it looks? Should be good in a second. Get off the spoon. Stuck on the spoon. 1 second, I have to get it off. Ooh, it feels so good. So, put in some more contact solution. Yeah, soapy. Okay, so with that. So I'm gonna knead it now. Ooh. So good. Wait. It's sort of sticky, so wait, I'm gonna go wipe my hands off real quick. Be right back. So I might have to add some more contact solution. It's so soapy, it's gross. Contact solution is a real activator for my slimes I make. Well, since I've had it. The like the purple, you can see a little. Oh, yep, there's a purple. See, look, it's like it looks galaxy a little bit. Wait, I'll show you. Wait, I don't know where the purple is false. But you can't really see the purple, but there's purple in it. It's just because it's just mostly blue because Dawn's was blue. I think I should put some more clear glue in it because I didn't put too much clear glue in it. Or enough glue. I don't know, but... Ooh, I don't care. It's fine. This is good slime, so it cares. I don't really matter. Well, I can't explain what I'm trying to say. But I can put in some more purple. Make it more galaxy. One, go. Just a little bit. There's some, and there's some, wait. There's some, and there. That's much purple. Gonna put it in. I have to keep on adding stuff. That's what I'm doing. Turning out really good, so I'm gonna knead them a little bit. So this is some other slime I made. It's the same thing. This is how it should turn out. Sorry. Like this. One sec, I just need to take some stuff out. Some bad slime in it. But I need to take that out then. Okay, this is the other slime I made. It feels so good. And should it feel like this one? This one, there's a lot of slime in it. Did not know I was gonna make this much slime. I made a big batch. Sorry you can't even see it, but let me take some. Oh my gosh, there's so much slime. Can't even hold it in one hand. It's too much. Oh, it's about to overfill. It looks so cool. Feels so fluffy too. It's not fluffy slime, no. I don't know what to make it so not watery. Probably to take it out of the water, but I'll do that in a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go and dry my hands. Get off. Towel down here. And now I'm gonna go empty this out. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I got all this slime. I don't know if I should pour it all out because I don't think, yeah, this is not ready. It has to sit for a while, so I'm not sure about if I can finish this video tonight. See, look. It's good though. It feels so soft. Don't even know how soft this feels. I need to knead it up too. The purple feels extra soft for some reason. I don't know why the purple feels so soft. I think the blue got more into the slime and like the purple did, but like it didn't get stringy like the blue, but it's pretty good. Look how good that is. It looks galaxy too, look. It's right through your finger. Oh, that feels so good. Hey, Alyssa.
Yeah, I was out at like 8.
Hey, Alyssa.
So done. Hi, Colson. Yeah, it was stupid. It started raining and the deck got closed, so.
Soapy slime, though. Sort of not slime, but it could be. I don't know what to add in it. Just on kneading it. This is how you'd see it better. Can you see it? Okay, good. I'm having more glue. So I can even wash my hands. It's like when I put in the glue, it gets better and better. Oh, I'm not using the purple, I'm using the blue.
Lola, what are you doing, babe?
Making slime.
What?
Making slime.
That's it. No more tonight, honey. Drink the big now.
Oh, there. Okay, where's my mixing tool? Oh, I'll take another one. Oh, it's over here. Never mind. You know what? I don't need to use my mixing tool. It's getting more soapier. I don't know why. No liquids at all. This is all slime. My hands get so soapy. This is not a fail, but it is a fail at the same time. Like soapy. I'm trying not to make it soapy. It looks not being that sticky anymore. So soft though. Just trying to make it better. Let's see, look. I'll show you. I wasn't trying to do that. Is this slime? It is, but it isn't. It could be better, but I need to add just more glue probably to make it not so soapy. It's a Dawn, I think I used too much. Okay, I put in some more purple. I just had to talk while I was mixing it. I don't think you would want to hear my conversation. So, keep on mixing. Yeah, the glue's working a lot. And maybe I need a little bit more contact solution.